Hello, I am Dr. K. K. Mishra from R Classes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on public finance. This is part 3rd. Now come to the questions. Number 1. Deficit financing includes A. Borrowing from the central bank, B. Issues of new currency by the government, C. Withdrawal of past accumulated cash balance by the government, or D. All. Here correct option is D. All of the above. 2. The balanced budget principle was advocated by A. Keynesians, B. Mercantilists, C. Classical school, D. Neoclassical school. Correct option is C. Classical school. 3. The item or economic activity on which tax is imposed is known as A. Tax buoyancy, B. Tax rate, C. Excess burden, or D. Tax base. Correct option is D. Tax base. 4. Which one of the following is not tax based? A. Income, B. Wealth, C. Utility, or D. Consumption. Correct option is C. Utility. 5. Which one of the following is a tax base? A. Income, B. Utility, C. Intelligence, or D. None. Correct option is A. Income. 6. Equals treated equally in taxation leads to A. Vertical equity, B. Real equity, C. Horizontal equity, or D. None. The correct option is C. Horizontal equity. 7. The largest component of revenue expenditure in India is A. Pension, B. Interest payments, C. Education, or D. Health. The correct option is B. Interest payments. 8. Expenditures incurred on civil administration, defense forces is in the nature of A. Capital expenditure, B. Revenue expenditure, C. Transfer expenditure, or D. Productive expenditure. Correct option is B. Revenue expenditure. 9. The classical economists asserted that public expenditure is dash A. Unproductive, B. Productive, C. Stagnant, D. All. The correct option is A. Unproductive. 10. The fiscal deficit excluding the interest liabilities for a year is called as A. Revenue deficit, B. Capital deficit, C. Budget deficit, or D. Primary deficit. Correct option is D. Primary deficit. 11. The FRBM Act was passed in A. 1991, B. 2001, C. 2003, or D. 2011. Correct option is C. 2003. 12. The zero-based budgeting was first adopted in A. India, B. France, C. Germany, or D. USA. Correct option is D. USA. 13. Who proposed the zero-based budgeting for the first time? A. David Ricardo, B. Alfred Marshall, C. Adam Smith, or D. Peter Fair. Correct option is D. Peter Fair. 14. Gender budgeting started in India with a union budget of A. 1991-92, B. 2001 to 2, C. 2006-7, or D. 2010-11. Correct option is C. 2006-7. 15. Which of the following is a statutory body? A. Finance Commission, B. Planning Commission, C. State Planning Board, or D. None. Correct option is A. Finance Commission. 16. The Finance Commission in India is appointed by A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Chief Minister, or D. Finance Minister. Correct option is A. President. 17. The first Finance Commission was appointed in the year A. 1949, B. 1950, C. 1951, or D. 1952. Correct option is C. 1951. 18. Chairman of the first Finance Commission was A. Chadha, B. K.C. Niyogi, C. Santanathanam, D. Y.B. Chauhan. Correct option is B. K.C. Niyogi. 19. Grants recommended to the Finance Commission are known as A. Plan grants, B. Conditional grants, C. Statutory grants, D. Conditional grants. Correct option is C. Statutory grants. 20. The Finance Commission does all the following functions except one. Which is that? So here correct option is D. Assist the Planning Commission in making 5-year plans. 21. Finance Commission determines, here correct option is B, the resources transferred to the state. 22. Public debt means, here correct option is D, borrowing by a government from within the country or from abroad from private individuals or association of individuals or from banking and non-banking institutions. 23. Public debt management refers to a. Terms of new bonds, b. Proportion of different components of public debt, c. Maturity, d. All of the above. Your correct option is D. All of the above. 24. Which of the following factors contribute to public debt of a country? A. To undertake public welfare, b. Urge for economic growth, c. Inefficiencies of the public organizations and corruption, D. All. The correct option is D. All of the above. 25. Which of the following are the causes of public debt of a country? A. War or war preparedness including nuclear programs, b. To cover the budget deficit on current account, c. To undertake public welfare schemes, or d. All. The correct option is D. All of the above. 26. Which of the following could be a reason for raising public loans by a country? A. Bringing gap between revenue and expenditure through temporary loans from central bank, b. To reduce depression in the economy and financing public works program, c. Financing the public sector for expanding and strengthening the public enterprises, or D. All. The correct option is D. All. 27. Shortcoming of public debt is a. Political slavery, b. Danger of insolvency, c. Danger to country's freedom, or D. All. The correct option is D. All of the above. 28. The burden of long-term public debt is on a. Present generation, b. Past generation, c. Future generation, or D. None. The correct option is C. Future generation. 29. Which of the following is not a method of redeeming public debt? A. Sinking fund, b. Capital levy, c. Terminal annual annuities, c. Grants in aid. Correct option is D. Grants in aid. 30. The debts which the government promises to pay off at a specified date are called a. Irredeemable debts, b. Funded debts, c. Redeemable debts, or D. Unfunded debts. Correct option is C. Redeemable debts. So this was about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.